It's gonna have the fluffy cloud-like foam at the top, and then it has the, I will be making the weaker one today, not as strong. It is later in the day. Enjoy this hack and let me know down below if you try it. Alright, so to start off, for the weaker coffee, the not as strong one, I'm gonna be using this Maxwell House lightweight, just original roast coffee beans, and you can buy this anywhere. I'm pretty sure they should have it anywhere. And then I'm going to be using sugar, any sugar you want. I'm just using regular sugar. And then I also have this caramel sauce from Starbucks, and I bought this actually the other day, and I was like, I have to make this video because the way the foam and everything, it's just perfect. And then for people who want a stronger taste, want more of that cloud macchiato that is so hyped up now at Starbucks, but it's like $6, so get yourself some of this and you'll be able to make it at home. This is the Nescafe Classic Frappe mix, and this is the same thing as that. So if you want something stronger, just switch it out for this. So that's the other option, but today I'm going to be using these ingredients only, and water and milk, any milk you want. I'm just using the low fat from Costco. So this is the cup we're going to serve it in, and this is where we're going to mix it. This is what we're going to use to froth up the water. So I will show you now how we do it. So I have added just about half a cup maybe of coffee, and then a little teaspoon of the sugar, and you just want to add as much as you think you want, but you definitely want more coffee than the sugar. And right now I'm going to add some water. I'm only going to fill it to just not even up to the line, like right about here, and you want that water so you can start. Mixed it up, and I have the foam. That's all foam, so that's perfect. That's what we want. It's nice and foamy, just like Starbucks. And now we are going to add it to the cup, and then you add milk now and water as much as you would like. So you can keep adding water throughout the day because it's strong, and you can have more coffee. So that's another awesome hack. All right, I've added the milk in there, and now we're gonna add the foam. Alright, and you can see how it's divided, just like the macchiato, because that's how it's supposed to be. Now we'll add some caramel syrup, and you can add as much as you'd like. It just depends how sweet you want it. Alright, so there's you go, pretty good amount, and then you just mix it up, and there you go. You have your foam cloud macchiato at home. So try it out and let me know how you guys like it.